This year for Southeast Spotlight, we highlighted our first Friday activities that were really based around National AVID Day. AVID is a program that helps students to become college and career ready, which here in Park Hill School District is K-12. And AVID helps students become prepared with organization, note-taking, and all those other lifelong skills that are needed to be successful. We kick off with a all-school assembly. And during that assembly, we really focus on the celebration of the students and their leadership abilities and what they have going on. So we really highlight what we have as our expectations of staying safe, taking responsibility, acting respectfully, and reaching for excellence.
Some of my friends got recognized at the assembly.
Family groups is a really unique way that here at Southeast, we have students that are in family groups from kindergarten to 5th grade, and they're mixed, and they have an adult that they are with, and they get to build a relationship and have that sense of belonging and being together from kindergarten all the way up to 5th grade.
The activity was, we did, it was kind of like an all about me, so you did a puzzle, you had a puzzle piece, like a big puzzle piece, and then you wrote 4 facts in each quarter about yourself.
They were able to create this puzzle piece with their name on it and things that show their uniqueness and how they're different from others. But then when you put the puzzle pieces all together, it's showing them that even though they're different, we all can be together and be as one as a community.
It helps people learn about me.
I really like seeing other kids from different grades and getting to know them more each time.
My favorite part of the day was buddies.
An older grade is buddied up with a younger grade. So, for example, the 3rd grade is buddied up with kindergarten. And so each first Friday, we get to go down to the kindergarten buddy room and do an activity with them. So this month we did an activity that was because of AVID-I, and they were able to interview their kindergarten buddy and show that collaboration that we do with AVID and work on what does AVID do for us as students and how to keep us successful and on the right track.
Because of AVID-I something, and then I'll write like, I'm more mature, my handwriting's much better, and then like the first graders did the same thing and stuff, and then we help with the spelling and all that kind of stuff.
I wrote that I try my very best to have it clean in book box, desk, and locker.
It's really beneficial that those older students get to build a relationship with the youngers, but also the younger ones get to look up to the older students.
It was fun to like learn about them, see their cool projects around the room and stuff, and like what they're learning.
This is our life here at Southeast, and we want to make those lifelong learners as all of them together, being together as a family.